Previously on Wanderwalkers, we flew from Singapore to Munich, Germany.
And this week, we'll be taking the train to beautiful Innsbruck in Austria. We hope you enjoy the vlog. Good morning everyone. Today we are leaving Munich. It's about 5:30. You can still see it's dark outside. We're just going to be catching the train from Munich down to Innsbruck. So we're just going to go check out now. Let's go.
Coffee. Ready to go to Innsbruck. Let's go.
Just got off our train just behind us here in Innsbruck. We're going to be walking over to our hotel now, which is only like 5 minutes away, thank God. And then we're going to go get some breakfast because it's still only about 8:30 in the morning. We've got a really early train and it's only about 2 hours to get here, so I think we're both pretty hungry. So we just made it to our hotel. We just dropped our luggage off and we've come to the 12th floor where the public toilet is. And check this out, this is the men's toilet. Just walking through the old town here in Innsbruck and just looking in at some of the stores.
Guys, and we are now back at our hotel room. We're actually just having some pizza and a couple of drinks that we just bought down at the train station on our way back in because we've just been so tired today. So once again, it's not really a night for going out to eat because we're still trying to get over our jet lag as well. I think that's still trying to catch up with us each night, and we've had quite a few early mornings in a row, so we're still trying to find that little bit of extra time just to kind of chill and sleep. But obviously, as the trip goes on, I think we're going to get a little bit more in tune with the new time zones. So it has been a really beautiful day here in Innsbruck, and we have such a beautiful hotel room. The lady was so kind at the reception counter. She found out that it was our honeymoon, and she decided to give us one of the corner rooms, which has a really great view of all of the mountains and Innsbruck, so we're just so happy that that happened. Tomorrow we are going to be exploring more of Innsbruck. We're not 100% sure what we're going to do, but we have talked about maybe doing the Swarovski World. We're not really sure at this point though. We're going to make some decisions maybe tonight and as we go along, but we'll see you tomorrow and keep you updated along the way as usual.
This reminds me of like the Lord of the Rings or something.
Very tourist thing today and accidentally missed our bus to Swarovski Crystal World, and unfortunately we assumed that there was going to be a credit card payment on board. There was not. It was cash only, and we did not have any cash on us, so unfortunately we didn't have time to go and get cash, so we missed our bus. There's a later time, we can go in another couple of hours. We got our money now.
Well, we did have time to go to the ATM, but the ATM we went to didn't work.
Yeah,
so that's okay.
But that's fine. It has been
just
snowing, and I think it is about to start snowing now. You can see on the mountaintop. Very, very light.
That is the mountaintop through there, but you can't really see it. It's so beautiful though.
It is.
We're gonna
go for a walk.
Gonna go for a walk into the city again and kill some time for 2 hours. Made it to the Swarovski Crystal World. It's so quiet on the outside here. I thought that there'd be lines, but there's not. We're just walking over. We've got an audio guide as well to understand what's going on. Hopefully this is fun. It looks really cool already. And look at this. It's been like snowing up here in the mountains this morning, so it looks really cool. You can probably tell we're all rugged up because of that.
Cause you don't have to go out every day.
had a hot chockey at the cafe just across from the exhibit. Now as we're walking out, the snow is starting to get a little bit heavier. It's still quite light, but it's so beautiful to watch because we don't actually see this very often. We obviously don't live in an area where it snows, so to see this it's really, really cool. This is so cool.
Australians in the snow.
Australians in the snow.
Alright, let's get the bus before it leaves. Next time on Wanderwalkers, we finally land in the main destination of our honeymoon, Finland.
And explore what Helsinki has to offer. Make sure to subscribe and follow us over on Instagram at DanWalkerCreative and Kayleigh_Journeys. Thanks for watching.